And then I'm using concealer around my eyes. I don't know how to narrate these things. What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this shimmery pink makeup look, and I'm going to be posting all of the products that I use down in the description. So be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Before applying any makeup, be sure to prep and moisturize your skin in whatever way best suits your skin type. And don't forget your lips. I personally have very dry skin, but I honestly feel like I should have put more. Anyway, that's the foundation I'm using. I use the foundation brush, that's just an Eco Tools brush. And I like to apply it in very thin layers, starting from the bottom of my jaw, moving up towards my cheeks and my forehead. I don't like using a lot of product, so I don't like to put the foundation around my eyes because I don't like to double up. I'm using concealer around my under eyes, and I'm just using a beauty blender. Probably would use a brush to apply it next time, but I'm also using it to highlight, so I'm putting on the nose, bridge of the nose, forehead, chin, places I want to brighten up, and just blending it all in. I also put a little bit on the lids to act as a primer. And then I'm setting everything with this powder and this big fluffy brush. And again, very thin layers, and that's partially because I have pretty dry skin. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm gonna just go ahead and start out with this very matte, basically like matching my skin tone color as a sort of base. Then move on to this kind of shimmery pink color on the lid and just tap it on there. Be very gentle with your eyelids. Next, take this sort of shimmery brown color. I guess I shouldn't say sort of for everything. I'm just kind of making a little wing, kind of like I would with eyeliner. And it just sort of lifts your eye visually. And then working that into the crease as well. And I'm just tapping that on there because I'm gonna buff it out after this with this fluffy brush. And just kind of buffing that out. And I wanted it to be kind of a little more defined, so I just kind of poked at it with that pointy brush again. Then I went into this shimmery yellow warm color and put it into the inner corner and just kind of blending that in with the pink and brightening up that whole area. And as a highlight, I'm taking this very white sparkly color and putting it in the brow bone and just really buffing that out as well. I wanted a little more of that shimmery pink on the lid, so I added some more. Next, I'm taking that shimmery pink and putting it on the lower lash line as well. And then taking that kind of brownish color in the corner, the outer corner. Next, we're going on to eyeliner, and I'm using a pencil, just winging up, kind of following the same line that I made before, and just working very slowly, gently, and looking straight ahead with my eyes open so I can see exactly how the wing is going to turn out when I have my eyes open. And really take your time with this. If you feel better using a different kind of eyeliner, go for it. After that, I took a little pointy eyeshadow brush and I'm just buffing it out, smoothing it out. And I took this black eyeshadow and went over top of it to kind of set it, as well as to just really define the color. And then I took the pencil to the lower lid and went over it again with that dark eyeshadow. For mascara, really just use the mascara you want. This is the kind that I'm using. Do whatever you need to do so it doesn't clump together, unless like that's a specific look you're going for. And I just took that dark eyeshadow again to touch up any spots that I wanted to fill in. Since I have dry skin, I would probably want to try cream products, but all I have are powder. So I'm using this bronzing brush and just gently putting it around my forehead, my jawline, my cheekbones, just to bronze. And then for contour, taking a slightly lighter color and taking it to my cheekbones and my jawline. And I haven't really done this before, but I wanted to try it out. So I'm taking an eyeshadow brush and putting some contour around my nose. And then I'm using this for blush. I'm just tapping it on to basically the top of my cheeks, kind of moving towards the apples of my cheeks, as well as on my chin and my forehead. For highlighter, I'm going to take a small fluffy brush, put on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, just highlighting all those places I put the concealer, as well as on the cheekbones. And I'm going to just blend it in with some more blush a little bit. For lips, yes, that's upside down. I'm going to line my lips with a slightly darker color than the actual lipstick that I'm going to be using, just to give it some dimension. And when I put the actual lipstick on, I'm keeping it kind of in the middle and just carefully blending it in so that I maintain those outer lip lines. And then I'm just going to put some gloss in the middle, kind of going with the pattern of dark to light, and just gently blend that in. You could use a lip brush as well, and that might work a little better. And I almost thought I was done. Thought it was like pretty good. But then I remembered I have this. I prefer to use my finger for really shimmery eyeshadow, and of course put it on before the eyeliner next time. But yeah, that's the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And of course, please make sure to subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!